Partly because of its location under the famed Harbour Town Lighthouse, the Quarterdeck has always been a landmark on the island. Well, now it's liable to become more than that, and in fact, it'll become one of the island's most popular attractions, would be my guess. It opened up this past Wednesday. Jessa Jeremiah got an early look.
The iconic dining location here in Harbour Town got its facelift. It's ready to be looked at. We're going to head inside. You guessed it, Quarterdeck. Okay, I'm now joined by Chip Duncan. He's the Food and Beverage Corporate General Manager. It's a mouthful of a title, but you know what? It's fitting because there's a ton happening here. An iconic location is getting, I'd say, more than a facelift. Thanks for taking a minute with us.
Of course, happy to do so.
So you've been really on the ground level of a lot of the planning of this project, and I want to share with our viewers out of the gate here a little bit about what this remodel is going to do for the building in terms of, you know, from a revenue perspective, from a capacity perspective, and just an experience perspective.
Of course. Well, I mean, experience is we're going to blow it out of the water. It's going to be completely different, still Lowcountry feeling. I mean, you got an elevated bar program and an elevated food and culinary program that's going to be unmatched in the area. And we had to do that because of the building that we got. The previous building probably seat around 270 at a time. This building, we'll be looking forward to seating about 450 at a time. And if you look around a little bit, you know, you're able to see the views that these people are going to be able to come in and enjoy while they're dining in any location. I think I have only one table that doesn't have a view. So we're looking forward to taking an old building doing just under $4 million to a building that's capable of doing about $10 to $12 million per year.
That's an incredible leap. In fact, you can hear him putting the finishing touches on outside right now because it's almost done. But, you know, it is game time here as you are finishing up. But wow, a revenue leap of just incredible bounds. I want to take just another minute with you and just talk a little bit about the development and what that means to not just vacationers, but also, you know, the property owners here in Sea Pines.
Our Sea Pines property owners, they take pride in everything that happens on this resort, and for us and them and our vacationers, I mean, this was a must-have. We feel it's going to be a wonderful catalyst to all of Harbour Town. Sea Pines as a resort, since being taken over by the Riverstone Group, has seen beautiful facelifts all across, whether it's the Beach Club, Plantation Club, the Harbour Town Golf Links, and this was one of the last ones to knock out. And you can't beat the location. Why not put a building as beautiful as this in this location? And not only us, I mean, we take a massive amount of pride in this, just being involved in it, but it's for the property owners. And if I may, I mean, probably one of the best things that we were able to do for them, we opened up the reservation books for them exclusively for the first 72 hours, and they filled the books within about anywhere from 9 to 10 hours.
Well, can you blame them? Look at this place. It's coming together beautifully. Chip, congratulations and thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we're downstairs experiencing some of the incredible views that we were talking about with Chip, and it is incredible. I imagine that there's going to be people coming in as vacationers, of course, the locals coming to dine and experience this place. So we decided to sit down with Chef Ben Harris. He's the executive chef here, and we're going to talk to him a little bit about the menu, what to expect, and a little bit of the kid element, believe it or not. Thanks for taking a minute.
Sure, no problem. Thanks for coming by. So Quarterdeck, we're really excited to offer something new to the Lowcountry. So what our pillars are incredibly fresh local seafood that we are going to prepare a lot of that in our Jasper charcoal oven, which is, we actually had flown over from Spain. It's totally solid fuel cooking, so it's all charcoal. So you just get this wonderful fresh, roasted flavor. We're going to be featuring a ton of local oysters. We're working really closely with some great partners of ours at Siegel Market, Craig Reeves, to a company in Charleston called Grow Food Carolina, who brings together a lot of farms in the Lowcountry that are too small to actually distribute themselves. So a lot of local fresh produce, Adaloo grits, all very, very local. But we do want to make sure we recognize we're a very family-friendly destination. We have all kinds of fun children's activities and stuff, but we put a lot of thought into our children's menu as well. It's not just your tenders and pizzas and whatever that would be, but we were featuring local seafood there, steaks. So we want the children to be happy and comfortable here too.
Okay, just to touch a little bit more on the uniqueness and beauty of this location, we're now joined by Director of Resort Development. This is Cliff McMackin. It's nice to see you. Boy, these views. Tell us about this space.
Well, the views, they are pretty fantastic. They actually blew us away as the building was being developed. We started to get some height to the first floor and then the second floor, and we were blown away ourselves. So, not only are we on this beautiful island, we're in this iconic marina destination, we're on this peninsula, so we're almost completely surrounded by water. So there's no bad view in the house.
Well, the iconic Quarterdeck is looking beautiful inside with expansive views that residents and visitors alike will enjoy for years to come. I'm Jessa Jeremiah. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Jessa. We also want to thank you for checking us out this first week of the new WHHI Daily News. I'm Bob Stevens. If you missed anything, we'll be back in 90 minutes.